Our country is quite diverse and diversified with respect to natural beauties. If we could not have this trip, we will surely be deprived from different beauty of Dindi. It's 3rd February 2021. We planned our marriage anniversary to celebrate at Palaveri near Dindi, bank of Godavari river. We started from Bhimabaram around 9 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful roadside views and greenery amazed us, and 1 hour 30 minutes drive brought us to the gateway of beautiful village Palaveri. We already booked a room through their website. Premier room, pond view with private deck. Details are given in the description window. You can follow there. প্রসঙ্গত বলে রাখি, আজকের ব্লগ ইংলিশে করছি কারণ অনেকেই রিকোয়েস্ট করেছিল পালাভ্যালি রিসোর্টের রিভিউ দিতে। সেই কারণে আমি আজকে ইংলিশে করছি যাতে করে আন্ধ্রার লোকেদের খানিকটা হেল্প হয়। Here the classic and premier rooms inspired by Mandova Logili, Jamidari style houses, style architecture of Andhra Pradesh that open out to a green, and the portico in the centers are poised to be your favorite Instagrammable room stay. Just entering the room, she turned the curtain and we were amazed by the view of the coconut plantation from the large windows that adorn the living area and bedrooms of 500 square feet suite. The private balcony and modern facilities make it perfect for couple as well as large families that are looking for space, be it indoors or outdoors. Dindi or Palaveri, located 150 km from Vijayawada city, is the most frequented tourist spot in the Andhra Pradesh. A must-visit destination in the region of West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. Wake up to inspiring mornings with colorful views of Amazonica lilies and thousands petal lotuses floating in the central pond of the resort. Palaveri Resort is surrounded by lush greenery all around. This idyllic lake with breathtaking scenic beauty is really just awesome. Without doing further delay, very fast we got ready and we started exploring the Palaveri Resort. Living in a busy and tedious world is extremely stressful. We, at times, wish to run away from the hectic life schedule to find the inner peace. The beautiful nature has always driven everyone close to it. It is a popular holiday destination. This place gives a feel like heaven with attractive greenery. Starling Resort is one of the best resorts in Dindi. It is a unique jungle resort as it is situated in a deep forest, that is coconut forest. For visualizing and experiencing the natural beauty, rhythm of water drops in the lake, you can visit any time of this place. But preferably weekdays will be good because the rate will be little bit less compared to the weekend. This is the place of Andhra, which is sometimes compared with Kerala. Sometimes it is called Kerala of Andhra Pradesh. This is our room. You can see we are staying here only, just in the lap of the nature. The opposite of the lake, there is a big building, traditional building, where normally the wedding occasions are happen. So we visited the place, we took the photos. It is really very nice. Now it is around 2:30, so it's time for lunch. Now we will be moving to dining section of the Palaveli Resort. This place is abundantly blessed with its natural beauty of Godavari River. Even from the dining hall you can see the Godavari River. Palaveli Resort offers modern facilities like swimming pool. From here, you can have the mesmerizing view of Godavari River. The love for nature has always been a choice to escape from the frantic urban life. The hectic work schedule and over-polluted environment have drawn nature lovers to places that connect them to the purity of nature. From temple trails and boat cruise to jaggery making and paddy cultivation, Starling Godavari has customized a set of discoveries and experience for curious travelers who wants to relax. Those who wish to get transported to a rustic rural setting of the past with amenities of today, then a night at Heritage Konasima Rooms would be perfect. These artistic roof, mud walled villas surrounded by coconut and fruit orchids spell classic charm coupled with opulence and luxury. This place is perfect for couple stays, reunions, quick getaways, group holidays or just outdoor business meets. The rustic beauty, flora and fauna and inspiring stays at Starling Palaveri Godavari beckons you to holiday definitely. Shakespeare said, "One touch of nature makes the whole world sing." The unending power of nature helps to escape from the frenzy schedules. If you are getting tired of the havocs of work from home or heaps of files, then this place will be perfect stay for you. We didn't understand when the sun is about to set. It is 7 o'clock. So as per the plan, they have arranged our anniversary candlelight dinner. It is really a serene and beautiful property to enjoy your anniversary. It was quite comfortable, food was good, Mr. Venkatramana was really helpful and provided great hospitality. It was nice to celebrate our anniversary there at the resort. Hope you like Palaveri. For more details, please see the description box. Thank you.